It took me 42 months, but my portfolio finally crossed $50,000 last month. More specifically, my stock portfolio finished March with a balance of $53,063.18, officially making me a 120th millionaire or halfway there to having a six-figure stock portfolio. And diving deeper into the numbers, the portfolio gained $7,104.27 in 31 days or $230 per day, which sounds great, but it isn't entirely accurate since 77% of that was from my own deposits and not stock gains. That's why whenever YouTubers show off their 6 or 7 figure portfolios, I always be a bit skeptical because their $1 million portfolio might actually consist of a stock gain of $1 and a deposit of $999,999. And that's why I've been doing these monthly portfolio updates since September 2020, because I love keeping track of my progress, and in a way, I hope my transparency motivates some of you to stop using excuses like I don't have enough money right now, or I'll do it when I'm a bit older, and just start investing right now. But anyway, you didn't click here for motivation, so let's continue on with the next column. And the total gain is now $7,396.22, up $1,628.43 from the previous month. That brings my portfolio's return on investment of 1.82% to 16.20%. And it pains me to see that my ROI used to be 41% just a few months ago, but hey, that's just the stock market for you. Growth stocks have been on a downtrend lately, but because I'm investing for many decades, I'm willing to swallow short-term losses for hopefully a brighter future with lots of zeros on my bank account. And scooting back, I received dividends from a whole bunch of stocks totaling $35.32 in March. And as always, I'm investing my cash deposits as soon as it goes through because timing the market is so exhausting, and I'd rather just let M1 Finance buy whatever stock holding is underweight. And all that brings us to my portfolio's current 1 month and 1 year performance. Month over month is great, up 28.23% compared to the end of February. But if you compare my current portfolio to March of 2021, then the portfolio returned a negative 12.32%. And does a negative 12% bother me? Honestly, not really, because I'm just focused on the long term, so I'm more interested in where my portfolio is going to be in March of 2023. But looking ahead, my current portfolio balance minus uninvested cash and with no additional deposits compounded 10% for 30 years is going to grow into $925,533.40. And that's not accounting for the crazy 7% inflation we're experiencing right now, so hopefully my stock gains can outrun inflation. Well, let's wrap things up with some YouTube statistics. Only added 7 subscribers in March, bringing the total count to 1,115 subscribers. And even though YouTube estimates my March earnings to be $34.75, I'm going to leave this part blank for now until I get an actual check from YouTube. And even though there's a $100 threshold, which sucks, you know the day I get my first YouTube check, I'll be celebrating it with a Starbucks venti Java chip frappuccino with whipped cream. It's a pretty short video today since I didn't see the point of dragging out this kind of update videos anymore. But if you like to see longer videos in the future, don't forget to subscribe. And with all that said, I'll catch y'all next time with more financial shenanigans.